Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make your VW Golf louder. We will cover several effective methods to achieve a more aggressive and noticeable engine sound. You'll discover how different modifications can alter your car's acoustic profile, from a subtle rumble to a roaring exhaust. We'll also touch upon potential performance benefits that often accompany these sound enhancements, helping you make informed decisions for your vehicle. One of the most common ways to make your Golf louder is through exhaust system modifications. A catback exhaust replaces everything from the catalytic converter rearward, offering a refined yet louder tone. For a more aggressive sound, a performance downpipe can dramatically increase volume and improve turbo spool. Muffler or resonator deletes provide the most significant sound increase, often resulting in a raw, uninhibited exhaust note. Beyond the exhaust, your intake system and engine tuning play a crucial role in sound. Installing a cold air intake allows your engine to breathe better, often producing a satisfying induction roar. Turbo inlet pipes further optimize airflow to the turbocharger, enhancing its characteristic whistle. Engine tuning can also adjust parameters for a more aggressive exhaust note, while a performance blow-off valve creates a distinct whoosh sound when you shift gears. Before making any modifications, it is vital to consider a few key points. Always research your local noise regulations to ensure your vehicle remains street legal. Professional installation is highly recommended for proper fitment and to avoid potential issues. Think about the long-term impact on your car's warranty and resale value. Ultimately, aim for a balance between achieving your desired sound and maintaining comfortable daily drivability.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.